The NIOSH Office of Construction Safety and Health is responsible for oversight and leadership of all construction safety and health research at the Institute, as well as research that's being done by CPWR and by other universities that are funded through the Office of Extramural Programs. The National Falls Prevention Campaign began out of the sector council that we oversee. As we began the campaign, we worked with not only the sector council, but our partners at OSHA as well as CPWR to move the campaign forward to better protect construction workers from falls in the industry.
As an insurance company, we see the claims that happen from people falling from ladders, roofs, anything that they could possibly fall from. And that's where we look at it and we go, we need to do something. And when Stand Down Week came around, we thought it was a perfect opportunity to reach those small contractors, get in front of them, and just do a little bit of training, get a little bit of that mindset in them. We try and make it fun for them. We've done a few road shows, we call them, where we'll go to a whole construction site and we'll have 75 to 150 people there cooking hot dogs, hamburgers. We'll have a session on ladder safety, we'll have a session on fall protection safety. It's a big thing for us. We're very happy that we got involved in it. Every year we make it a little bit bigger.
We are currently in 26 offices. We're in 10 states. We are considered the third largest privately owned roofing company in the country. We have our own mission statement, it's always good work. Part of that good work is the training of our employees to make sure that they're fully capable and able to do what it is we need to do and how to do it.
Well, the safety stand down impacts us all greatly as it's a part of our daily routine. We deal with a lot of unsafe things in the field that potentially could be hazardous, but we use the training that we're given and the available tools and equipment to ensure that our job does run safely and smoothly. It's good for guys to just get a refresher and be able to get together as a group, discuss concerns that they've seen recently in the field, as well as just have outside knowledge from people that we deal with, and just gives us all the ability to step back for a minute and realize that our work is based upon us being safe, because if we weren't, we wouldn't be able to do it.
Try to incorporate two different types of learning styles in one training session. But for the most part, if you have a hands-on training versus a media-driven one, they're gonna understand and use the hands-on training because it's something that's practical, something they see, feel, touch. All those things are important for an employee in the field.
So a basic timeline in regards to today, we all met with our safety advisor and we went over the basics in personal fall arrest systems, handrails, ladder safety, setup, heights and minimums, and why we have those restrictions based upon what the industry's seen for statistics and essentially analyzed so that we are doing things safely and correctly. We had the chance for OSHA to come in and we were actually able to speak with them and ask them questions. We also had the chance for Dave from Little Giant to come in and just discuss the technology of how ladders have changed, how to correctly set them up, and it's nice to see that from the actual engineering side of the ladder as opposed to just here, this is the safety side of it. He was able to explain a lot of small things that sometimes guys don't see in the field or might not, they take it for granted essentially that this little minimum thing could make a huge difference. After that, we got with Builders Mutual and we did essentially a walkthrough through a couple different demonstrations. The first one our group did particularly was we went over handrails, height minimums, regulations, just kind of touch base on all that in regards to safety lines and how they need to be set up, as well as how the handrails need to be built. After that, we had another demonstration with PFAS, went over harnesses, lifelines, rope grabs, all the basics in regards to what they do for you, how to properly inspect them, how to properly wear them, and when they deploy, what you have to work with, and the basics of what you need to know before you can use it as an actual lifeline.
The National Falls Prevention Campaign is primarily intended to help construction firms and construction workers to reduce falls in this industry. However, the materials we've developed are applicable to all industries and all workers that work at elevation. And so we encourage all companies, regardless of industry, to join with us and protect their workers from falls from elevation.
I'm very thankful with Baker Roofing, and they always provide safety programs, safety training, even equipment, PPE, all that kind of stuff. They always make sure that you're working the right way and the safe way. The program today really helps on, basically reminding us that we have to be safe out there.